Good morning, class. Student, today's topic is complement of the set. Complement means it is just opposite of the given set. Student, let A is any given set. Then its complement is represented by A dash or AC. It is the complement of the set. Complement of the set. Student, let U is the universal set. This one is the universal set. Then A complement is equal to universal set minus A. What is the complement? It is universal set minus A. Let us take one example. Let universal set is the set of the numbers from 1 to 10. There are 10 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. And A is the set of element 2, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Then A complement is the number of elements which are in the universal set. These are the elements which belongs to the universal set but not belongs to the set. So it is the set having element 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. There are 5 elements, there are also 5 elements. So universal set is the set, these elements belongs to the universal set but not belongs to the given set. Student, after roster form, see the set builder form. So A complement equal to X such that X belongs to the universal set and X not belongs to A. It is the universal set. It is the set builder form. It is set builder form. Now, let us see the Venn diagram. There is the universal set, like that, it is universal set, and there is set A. Still that universal set A represented by horizontal lines. Then we can say the outside portion is called complement, or we can say A complement is equal to empty part of the universal set. It is empty part of the universal set. This is the empty part. Here we are not considering the set A. Student, now there is an important law that is called De Morgan law. De Morgan's law. It is related to the complement of set. Let A and B are the two sets. A and B are two given sets. Then A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. It is first, there A, one more, it is similar. A intersection B whole complement. It becomes A complement union of B complement. So here this operation will change. Union becomes intersection and complement part when it will open, that is come on both the set. Same is here. Intersection becomes union and complement will come on both the sets. So this is called the De Morgan law. Student, now come on the exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Here there is a universal set having element 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3 till 9. Then A is a set. It is having element 1, 2, 3, 4. B is element 2, 4, 6, 8. C is the set having element 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find. There are first part A complement, second part B complement, third part A union C whole complement, then fourth part A union B whole complement, fifth part A complement of complement, and the sixth part it is B minus C whole complement. So let us discuss all the part one by one. Now A complement. See the solution. A complement equal to, there are the element which belongs to universal set but not belongs to the set A. So these are the elements. It is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now second part, there is B complement. There are the elements which belongs to the universal set but not belongs to B. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now in the third part, B need A union C. So there are the elements, they either belongs to the set A or in set C. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we need its complement. So A union C whole complement, it is element 7, 8, 9. In the complement, there are the element belongs to the universal set but not belongs to the set A union C. Now in the fourth part, we need A union B. So A union B equal to element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Then its complement A union B whole complement. There are the elements, that is 5, 7 and 9. Now let us find a complement of the complement. So what is a complement? A complement, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 also. Now its complement. A complement of complement, it is universal set minus A complement. So it is again, there are the element which belongs to the universal set but not belongs to complement set. A complement. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is the last part. In that we need B minus C. B minus C means there are the element which belongs to B but not belongs to C. So these elements are 2, 8. 2 and 8. These are the elements which belongs to the set B. 4 and 6 is common with C. Now let us find its complement. So B minus C whole complement, it is universal set minus B minus C. It is 1, 2, no not 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. We will not take element 2 and 8.